Hi everyone, this is Shakira Alanawaji, your tax resolution CPA. So today we're going to be answering the question, can the IRS levy your retirement income, your Social Security income? And the straight answer to that is yes. So they can. But let me first explain what that levy is. So a levy is the right the IRS has to take action on seizing any property you have that is fixed and determinable. Now your retirement income, we're all saving towards retirement, and we know that we're going to be getting a fixed amount every year or every month for a certain amount of years. So that's fixed and determinable. So that right you have to your Social Security and your any other retirement income you have, your pension, the IRS has the right to seize that. And even if you're not collecting on that money today, they have that right to put the action in place today and they'll collect on it in the future. Why is this a problem? It's a problem because remember a few weeks ago when we talked about the statute of limitation? The statute of limitation is 10 years to collect. The IRS has 10 years to collect. Unfortunately, if a levy is put in place today, before the statute runs out, that levy survives that 10-year statute. That levy actually survives the 10-year statute. That's a problem. You have worked so hard. You have done so much all these years, and now you get to retirement and someone's going to be eating at your retirement. So it's very important that you take care of this and make sure a levy is not put on your retirement income so that you have enough to spend when you're old. You've worked so hard for it. Now, what can you do to make sure this doesn't happen? You have to take advantage of one of the IRS programs, either an installment agreement or currently not collectible, or get an offer and compromise in place. Now, remember the installment agreement and currently not collectible, those stop collection. Even the offer and compromise, they stop all collection activity. A levy is a collection activity. The minute you get in an installment agreement, let's say you have 3 more years left on the statute. If a levy has not been put in place today, or even if a levy has been put in place today, and you start that installment agreement, that levy disappears. And once you finish paying in 3 years, they cannot go past that 3 years because the 10-year time is over. So that's why it's very important for you to stay ahead of these things and take control. You don't want to be living in fear and not knowing what could happen and not dealing with it. You're getting all these IRS letters. You can't afford to pay, quite all right, but don't ignore them. If you can't afford to pay, there's a currently not collectible status. You simply tell the IRS, I can't afford, I'm living paycheck to paycheck, I can't afford to pay you. And they stop all collection. They don't come after you, they stop it. Every 2 years they check in to see if your financial situation has changed. They have only 10 years, they have only 10 years to collect. So that's currently not collectible can be done for a whole 10 years as long as you can't afford to pay. So there's always a program that will work for you. You just need to, each case needs to be looked at and evaluated. Now, I really hope this information was helpful to you. Again, get ahead of it. Don't let this take control of your life. It's scary, but something can be done. Trust me, something can always be figured out, So please like, share, and comment. And if you need to schedule an appointment with my office, go to www.irsdebtresolver.com/schedule or call my office at 713-322-5600. Again, please like, share, and comment. Send me a direct message if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer it. Y'all have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you again next week. Bye.